Hello everybody, just a quick one before we start the video. I'm getting a few recommendations to do different things, so I'm thinking about doing a recommendation day, one day or maybe 2 days a week. You recommend whether you want me to cook something, taste test something, whatever, and I'll do that. I've got an instant pot, I've got an air fryer, I've got a George Foreman grill thing now, microwave, I've got an oven, so I can cook or taste test pretty much anything. Just let me know if you're something you're interested in, and you could, leave me a comment or something. I'd have to sort it all out and have a recommendation day, and I'd pick a few obviously, and then try and find a winner somehow. Just let me know. Anyway, on with the video. Hello everybody, welcome. Now today I'm going to be doing something. I got it from Aldi. It says it's new. I don't think it's new because I think I've seen them in Iceland before. So whether it's new to Aldi's, I don't know. But I'm going to be doing Jalapeno burgers. I've never had them, but it says new, but I don't think they are new. I've never seen them up our Aldi's, so I don't know whether they're new up our Aldi's. I've never seen them up ours. I'm sure I've seen them in Iceland before, but I've never tried them. So, let me show you what I'm going to do. Right, what I'm going to do, it says, I've already had a look, where is it? Here. In the grill, shallow fry or barbecue. So I'm going to do I'm going to shallow fry one, and I'm going to do the other one in the Aldi George Foreman there. Just to get a bit of taste difference, see what's what. So I've never had them before, so whether they're cooking now, I don't know because they are frozen. But I'm going to try it anyway. So let's open them up and see. Oh my God, the size of them. Look at the size of my buns. Okay. That's interesting, isn't it? Look. Yes. Well then, obviously they're going to shrink when they cook, ain't they, anyway? Well, ain't they big? Look at the size of them. Wow. Absolutely huge. There's my hand. And there's the burger cheese, look at that. Oh. I don't know, well, it's going to be interesting, isn't it? Well, there we go. You get 4 in a pack. Shallow fry for 12 to 14 minutes, I suppose. I don't know how long it's going to take in there. Probably about 10 minutes, I suppose. So what I'll do is I'll get it all heated up ready. Then we'll get it in and we'll have a look. Well, I'm going to get the hob on. I'm going to get the pan hot. So put it on a high heat or low heat. I didn't read that bit. Let me have a look. Medium heat. Over a medium heat. I'm going to use my one spray. I think you're going to get a lot of juice anyway. Come off them. Right, I'm going to put. That's got a hot now. So I'm going to put one burger in. I'm going to get one in that pan anyway. Look at the size of it. It's massive. So that's going to take about 15 minutes, I reckon. I'll turn it halfway through. And then I'm going to stick one in the Aldi George Foreman. I'll plug that in. I'll get that warming up. Takes a couple of minutes. I'm also going to put some chilli sauce on. And some spicy mayo. That's lovely, that is. I got that from Aldi. 99p, I think that was. And I think everybody had that in a sauce. It's gorgeous. So I'll wait for that to warm up. Right, that's all warmed up now. I'm going to get a bit of one spray in there. It's going to be hot. Is my burger going to fit in there? Might just, I think. Just. So I'm going to put that in. I don't know how long that's going to take. Probably about 10 minutes, I suppose. But this other one's cooking. And it smells absolutely gorgeous. It's only been in a couple of minutes. Right, I've just flipped that one over. I've turned it down a little bit, it looks a bit hot. It's on a medium heat, but cooked really quick, that did. So I've turned it down a little bit. Right, it's time to cook better now, I've turned it down a little bit. That seems a bit dry on the top there now, maybe it was a bit high. I think a medium was too high for it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to toast a couple of buns. Just going to put a bit of one spoon here. You can put butter on, but it's only an experiment this to see what it tastes like, so. But it smells really, really nice. Really nice. Let's see how this one's getting on. See, that's looking a lot better. A lot juicier. Right, I think they're all done. This one smelling really, really nice. I'm going to turn that off. We're going to put it away. Put that one there. And we'll get this one off. And I'll put that one there. And I'll turn this off. Now, done myself a bit of salad. There you go. I mean, you know which one looks the best, don't you? You can tell straight away, can't you? There's the toasted buns. I mean, that one looks far a lot better, doesn't it? Obviously, because of the... That's all got to be washed, obviously. But it smells really nice. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put a bit of spicy mayo on the bottom, like so, like so. Then I'm going to put a bit of lettuce on, like so. Then I'm going to put the burger on. I haven't melted the cheese in the pans or anything. I'm just going to put them on top of the burger. They're still hot, so the cheese should melt itself. Then I'm going to put the cheese on, and I'm going to put the tomato on top. But say you can see they've shrunk a little bit, but they're still big. And I'm going to put a tomato on top. I was going to fry the tomato, but I thought, no. And a bit of hot chilli sauce on the top of the bun. Oh yes. Oh yes. There we go. I've just had to turn the smoke alarm off. Smoke is hell in this kitchen now. Well, there you go, look at them. What do you think? They look lovely, don't they, to be fair? They don't look bad at all. Air fryer, not air fryer, George Foreman. Oh, I could have done one in the air fryer, couldn't I? Compared to 3. And the shallow fry. But I say it's all in the taste. So let's have a taste and let's have a look. So, what do you think? Now I'm thinking, by the looks of things, is it or is it me? This one, which is a shallow fry, it doesn't seem to have shrunk so much. I'm not 100% sure. Maybe it might have been our place to put them on the buns, but that's what it looks like from viewing. But I forgot to tell you that £3.15 there was for 4, so they're quite expensive. But I suppose you're doing some homemade chips. One each for the family for £3. The buns are £1, £4. Bag of Spuds homemade chips, a £5. It's a good meal, isn't it? So let's give them a taste test and we'll see. Which one should we do first? Let's do the shallow fry first. Smells lovely. Mmm. Oh wow. I'm surprised how juicy that is in the shallow fry. That's really nice. Oh, and it's got a nice little kick as well. Ooh. Mmm. That one is gorgeous and it's got the kick. Smoke alarm's going again. I don't know if you can hear that. Now we'll do the George Foreman one. Mmm. Oh. %100% the shallow fry. It's a lot juicier. It's a lot juicier. Lots more juice. Maybe I've done the George Foreman one a couple of minutes too long. But it tastes spicier as well. The shallow fry tastes spicier than the George Foreman one. Well, they're lovely. Absolutely lovely. Will I buy them again? Absolutely. 100%. So, yeah, that's the better one. 100%. Try again. There's not a lot of difference, but there is a difference. I'll give the shallow fry probably a 4 out of 5 for the juiciness, and the George Foreman it'd get a 3. It's a bit drier, but it might have been the way I cooked it, mightn't it that? But that was in the George Foreman. It was in for 10 minutes, and shallow fry was 15. It says 12 to 14, so it was in 15 minutes. And 10 minutes in the George. So maybe not 8 or 9 minutes maybe, but it was frozen, so I wanted to make sure it was cooked. But as I say, thanks for watching. If you do like content like this, give us a like, give us a subscribe. Leave us a comment. Till the next time, I'll see you later. Bye bye. Bit more shallow fry. A little bit more shallow fry one. Oh yes. That shallow fry one's perfect. It's gorgeous. Bye bye.